how to create a VK account. So if you want to create VK account, then first of all, open up your Play Store and then on the search bar, search for VK and make sure to install this application. And after installing, tap on open. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now to create an account, tap on sign up. And now you have to enter your mobile number. And after entering your mobile number, tap on continue. And then you will get a code to your mobile number that you have sent just now. And after entering the code, tap on continue. Here you have to enter your first name and your last name and then your birthday, and you have to select your gender. And after entering all of this information, you can tap on continue. And now you have to create a password. You have to enter a password and then you have to confirm your password again. And after entering your password, tap on continue. And that's it, guys. That's how you create a VK account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.